Let's get real. And mediocrity. It's a trap. A comfort zone that keeps you small. But here's the harsh truth. If you're not pushing boundaries, you're wasting potential. Greatness isn't handed out. It's claimed. If you're ready to break out, to escape average, it starts here. This moment is your chance to find your inner strength, unleash it on the world. Greatness doesn't happen overnight. It's built step by step, with every challenge you face. You're either growing or you're stagnant. You want to be more, then make growth non-negotiable. Choose resilience over comfort. Choose to evolve every single day. There's a power inside you that only reveals itself through struggle. Tap into it. Rise above. You don't need a permission to succeed. The journey to strength is lonely. By design, real power comes from within, not from others. Rely on your own abilities, your own willpower. Others may offer support, but ultimately, it's you who decides your future. Let your self-reliance be your guide. When you trust yourself fully, there's nothing you can't conquer. Mediocrity is filled with distractions, excuses, shortcuts. But when you're focused, truly focused, those things lose their pull. Make your goals crystal clear. Pour your energy into achieving them, one action at a time. You want something, then lock your sights on it. Let nothing and no one break that focus. This is how the strong achieve the impossible. Success isn't for the faint-hearted. It's for those who can endure, adapt, and keep moving, no matter what. When you're mentally tough, no setback, no criticism, no loss can break you. This strength isn't given. It's earned through facing hardship, staying resilient, and fighting for your goals. Toughen up. The elite don't fold. They forge on, unshaken. Good enough isn't good enough for those with ambition. If you want more from life, then demand more from yourself. Don't settle for average, for what's easy. Aim higher, even when it feels impossible. You want to live an exceptional life, then don't allow yourself to fall short of anything but the best. Raise your standards and don't let them fall. Weakness is not a flaw, it's a starting point. Everyone has vulnerabilities, but the elite turn theirs into strengths. Identify your weaknesses, own them, then work tirelessly to overcome them. This is your edge. This is how you grow into someone unstoppable. Transform every shortcoming into power. You're capable of far more than you know. Discipline isn't glamorous, but it's the foundation of strengths. The elite follows through, even when the excitement fades, even when nobody's watching. True discipline is what sets you apart. You want to see real progress. Make discipline your foundation, the framework for everything you do. Stay consistent, stay focused, and greatness will follow. There will be hurdles, failures, days when quitting seems tempting, but strength is built in perseverance. When things get tough, that's when your inner strength shines brightest. Push through, refuse to quit. Every obstacle is a test of your resilience, a challenge that fuels your growth. Rise above each one. Prove to yourself that you're unstoppable. The elite in second, when they decide on a goal, they pursue it with full conviction. This isn't about doubting yourself or holding back. It's about committing fully. Decide what you want and go after it with everything you have. The world rewards those who act with intention. So be decisive, be committed, and let nothing stand in your way. Most people fear change, but the strong embrace it. They know that change brings good, opportunities and challenges. Don't cling to what's comfortable. Step into the unknown, because that's where true strength is born. Make change your ally, adapt constantly, and you'll stay one step ahead, always evolving and ready for anything. Limits are an illusion. Every time you push beyond what you thought you could handle, you redefine what's possible. Push yourself to do more, to go further. What seems hard today will be your warm-up tomorrow. The only limits are the ones you accept. Break them, one by one, until there's nothing left that can hold you back. You're stronger than you think. Without purposes, life drifts. The elite know why they do what they do. They're driven by a purpose that fuels their every action. Discover what drives you, what truly matters, and make it the reason you push yourself every day. Purpose gives strength to your struggle. It turns hard work into fulfillment. Find it, follow it, and let it guide you. The strongest people aren't the ones who never fall, but the ones who refuse to stay down. They have a will that refuses to break. When things get hard, they dig deeper. They press on. Develop an unbreakable will, a determination that nothing can shake. When you know what you're fighting for, every struggle becomes fuel for your fire. You have a choice. Stay ordinary, or become a force to be reckoned with. Becoming elite isn't a title. It's an evolution, a decision to live life with intensity, to face down every fear, every challenge. This is the path of strength, of self-mastery. Step into it. Let the world feel your presence, because you are no longer held back. You are unstoppable. Potential is worthless unless you claim it. The elite understand this. They don't wait for opportunities. They create them. They seize them. Today, right now, is your chance to claim what's yours. Don't waste another moment doubting. This is your time. Step forward, unleash the strength inside you, and show the world what you're made of.